Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to my channel. I'm Vivian and today we want to make a flounce. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, I say a very big welcome to you. Make sure you hit on that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell beside it so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Okay, and I say a very big welcome back to all my subscribers. God bless you all. So we'll be making a flounce. So I'll be using paper to demonstrate this to you. You can actually do this on your fabric. Okay, so I've placed my paper on fold just to mark the midpoint. So if you're going to make this on your fabric, you just get the midpoint of the fabric you're using. Now I have folded it, so this is just to get the midpoint. Then I would open it up and make a line at the midpoint, that is at the center of the paper. So just make a line. Also at the center, this other way, I would also make a line. So you can actually measure the line and find the midpoint. So I have 25 here, okay, and the midpoint of 25, I would mark the midpoint of my paper, okay, this side, and I would also draw a line. So depending on how long or how wide you want your flounce to be, that is the length of the fabric you would use. So now I have this mark like this and like this on my pattern paper. So from the midpoint now, I would mark 2 inches, okay? So you can use about 2 inches or 1.5 inches. So I'm using 2 inches. So just mark 2 inches at each line, like so. So this is it, okay? Then you just connect it. So you just want to have a circle there. So just connect. It doesn't really have to be a perfect circle. It doesn't really have to be a perfect circle. Just connect the points. Okay, so this is okay. Now, from this point also, that is from the 2 inches point, you can mark the length of the flounce, how wide you want your flounce to be, or how long, that is the length, okay, of the flounce. So I'll be using, let me use 4 inches, okay? So you can use 3, 4, 5, depending on how you want it to be, the wideness of your flounce. So I'll just mark 4 inches. Just mark 4 inches. So it's just okay like this. So now from this point of my circle, I'll just connect to this 4 inches. Then I keep marking 4 inches all around. So this is what I mean. Just connect to these 4 inches like so. Then you just keep marking 4 inches or whatever you're using, and you keep connecting like so. You connect, okay? So have 4 inches here. You connect. So just connect it. Keep marking 4 inches and you connect like so until you've gotten to the end of your paper. So I have 4 inches here already. I connect. So that is just it. Keep marking 4 inches and you keep connecting. Then when you have gotten to this point, you continue marking from the last drawing you have. You mark like so, then you mark again. So you just keep going round, okay? So that is the idea there. Just keep going round, round, round until you've gotten to the end of your paper or your fabric. So it doesn't really have to be straight. So it's a flounce. Okay, you can see this. So just continue marking and connecting. Continue marking and connecting. Okay, so by the time you've gotten to the end of your paper, like so, by the time you've gotten to the end where you know that your 4 inches can no longer come in any other part of the paper, so what you will do is just to connect it back like so. Okay, so just connect it back like so, then we'll cut out. Okay, so this is it. So if you're making a flounce and maybe the pattern paper you're using or the fabric is not big enough to contain the length of the flounce you want, you can do this more than once. After cutting the first one, you can draw another one, then you join later to get the length of flounce you want. So I'll go ahead and cut this out. Okay, so by the time you've gotten to this point, you just cut out this one. Okay, so have this. Now we'll start cutting round. So when you have gotten here, you just cut out the circle. Okay, just cut out the circle. And you have it here. Now this is our flounce, like you can see on our dresses. So this is it. So like I said, if the length you have after cutting out is not enough, you can cut again and you join. Okay, so that is it. So if you want to have a longer flounce, you can cut again and you join. So you can see this. So you can see how it is. So this is simply how to cut your flounce. Want it, you can even pleat it if you want on your shirt. This can be used on the neckline, this can be used on your skirt, on your waist, on any part of your dress, even on your sleeve. Okay, so this is it. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and also turn on the notification bell beside it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and see you in our next video. Bye for now.